if you would like to geo-target a specific city within a country, you can do this by making some changes to your username wherever you've configured your proxies. So we can show a quick demonstration of this with our username here. So you can find your username by going to the authentication tab. Then right here under username, you can just click copy. And then what we want to do is we need to add two parameters here. And we can use two different syntaxes. I'll show you each of them. So just like when we're geo-targeting a country, we need to add the country dash country, the two-letter country code. So this is for geo-targeting IPs in the US. And then if we want to get more specific and geo-target a city, we would just add another dash and say dash city dash, let's say Los Angeles. And so this would geo-target only IPs in Los Angeles, or you can change this to say Chicago. We can geo-target only IPs in Chicago. So this is with the dash syntax, and then you would take this, copy and paste it into wherever you've configured your proxies, whether that's in code, maybe in your browser, in an application. So wherever it asks for your username, this is what you would put in there in order to geo-target IPs in a specific city. If we wanted to use a different syntax, the semicolon syntax, we can go like this. We can say semicolon country equals US city equals Chicago. But then with this one, as with geo-targeting a country using this syntax, we need to include our username here, or sorry, our API key here, and we need to encapsulate all of these in quotation marks. And so this is what you would put in to your application, your code, whatever it may be, in order to use this syntax. We can do this from within our dashboard. Again, we can do this as a list and export that list. So a lot of different applications use this format, host IP or DNS :port :username :password. So we can come in here and we can do the same thing. We can say country -US -city -Chicago, and then it will auto-populate in here. You can copy the list out or download the list. You can also use the other syntax like we just talked about and say country equals US city equals Chicago. And then remember, for this, we need to encapsulate with quotation marks around these for this to work properly. So that is how you can geo-target a city with Proxyrack proxies.